ChatGPT is a type of language model developed by OpenAI. It's based on the GPT generative pre-trained transformer architecture, which is designed to understand and generate human-like text based on the input it receives. GPT models are trained on massive amounts of text data and learn to predict the next word in a sentence, which enables them to generate coherent and contextually relevant responses. ChatGPT, specifically, is fine-tuned to be particularly effective in generating conversational responses. It's trained on a mixture of dialogue-style text and can engage in back-and-forth conversations with users. The model is capable of answering questions, providing explanations, offering suggestions, and more, all in a natural language format. The chat aspect of ChatGPT makes it suitable for various applications like virtual assistants, customer support chatbots, content generation, brainstorming, and other scenarios where human-like interaction and communication are important.